This is letter U. Umbrella. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. This is letter V. Fan. V is for van. Van. This is letter W. Watch. W is for watch. Watch. This is letter X. X-ray. X is for X-ray. X-ray. This is letter Y. Yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. This is letter Z. Zebra. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
It's game time. Are you ready? Let's play. Where is the letter B? You found it. Great job. Which one is the apple? That's the apple. You are so smart. Final challenge. Let's listen to a sound. Which animal says meow? Yes, the cat says meow. Meow. Great job. Thanks for learning with me. Subscribe for more ABC fun. See you next time. Bye bye.